I'm Brenda, this is Write Your Story. I do memoir reviews from the aspects of how they can help us to structure and write our memoirs. I do talks on the craft of memoir writing. I'm going to be doing talks on grammar and the things we need to know when we're structuring sentences and the building blocks of writing, because I love that topic. I love this memoir. It's The Measure of My Powers by Jackie Kai Ellis. It speaks to me because it speaks to the challenges and the choices I've made, the depression I've struggled with at times in my life. I love food, I love Paris, I love writing, I love variety. If you want to expose yourself to good writing, to good vignette writing, to good imagery writing, to hard, open-hearted writing that you could bring into your memoir, do subscribe and I will see you in the next video.